Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I came downtown in South Lake Tahoe to the Marcus Ashley Gallery. I had someone let me know that my work is featured at the very front of the gallery. I had to share this with you. I thought it's really fun. Come on in. And as I shared with you guys often, this is one of the most amazing galleries in the country, so I feel really honored to be here doing this. When you walk in the door, here we are. I've got a majority of the whole front section. So right over here, I've got this really great combination of large format color photographs on traditional photographic paper, featuring a 7-foot long Aspen Grove image called Aspen Dream. I've got a 40 by 50 image of Emerald Bay called Merlin's Morning. And then surrounding those, I've got a combination of wildlife and landscapes on aluminum, as well as images like my brand new platinum Palladium print here. That's a traditional 16 by 20 inch platinum Palladium print of an Aspen Grove in a blizzard. Then, if we walk over this way, to increase the amount of work that we can share, we've got numerous display bins around the gallery with smaller pieces that are available in various sizes. And then if we swing over this way, again, a really neat collection of aluminum as well as traditional photographic paper. And as many of you know, as an artist, there are very few things more exciting than seeing your work displayed in a world-class gallery that people from all over the planet visit. I thought I'd share this with you. If you guys would like to know more about my work and the Marcus Ashley Gallery, message me in a private message. Please leave messages and questions and comments below in the comments section. If you don't want to miss when I have shows or when I bring out new work, take a look at the helpful links below. You can join my newsletter, my Fine Art of Nature newsletter, for free. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I'm glad I was able to share this with you. Happy shooting.